Hello, this is Susan at Shipwreck Beads. I love the holidays, and there is just nothing more fun than coming up with a pair of new holiday earrings. So that's what we're going to talk about today, some angel earrings. Now, there are really a million different ways to put these together. This is just a quick, simple, pretty to wear and so easy to make. Doesn't take a lot of pieces. As you can see, I have it kind of taken apart here with, you can see how they're going to look when they're finished. Only 4 pieces with a head pin and your ear wires. So easy to make. You're going to have to make a pair for everybody you know. They are so fun. So the base is just a matte glass. So you have this really lovely, not really white finish, but just kind of frosted kind of look. I love it for angels. Some angel wings. These happen to be made out of zinc, out of the zinc line. And then for the white angel, I've got a 10 millimeter frosted white that will go with the dress of our angel. With the black angel, I'm using a 10 millimeter golden obsidian. It's just gorgeous. It looks, I'm looking at the video and it looks like it's pure black. It's not. It has golden highlights underneath it. Really gorgeous to use for heads. And then our halo is, again, just a zinc rope design rondelle. So really quick and easy to make. Depending on how you store them, you can see the halo moves around, which is really fun when you're wearing it. But if you store them like in a drawer or something, the halo will come off. So I'm just going to give you that heads up. It will come off, and see how it goes right up your ear wire. So if you are storing them on an earring holder, no worries. If you are going to be throwing them in a drawer with the rest of your pair, you might want to glue the halo on so it stays in place. If you decide to go with glue, my favorite is the Loctite Super Glue Gel. It just takes a drop that you don't have to glue it all the way around. You would just put it one drop on, and then because it's a gel, it's not going to leak all the way down the head before you get a chance to really set that halo. So a really good choice to make it stay if that's what you would prefer to do. I didn't. Mine are going to go on a earring tree, so it's quite okay if they sit just like this. And then of course when I give earrings, I always put them on an earring card, so they're just not going to go anywhere, and whoever receives them can decide what they want to do there. So to get us started, I've got a 3-inch head pin. I normally go with the 2-inch. That is my favorite, and then I just cut off the excess for whatever I'm doing. But the bodies on these get a little bit long, and we're going to wrap the eye. When it comes to earrings, I usually prefer to wrap the eye, so there's just no way it's going to fall off of the ear wire. So to start, again, these are just so fast and easy. I'm putting my drop on upside down, so we have the chest on the top, and then your wings. I mean, how easy is that with that center tube? Fits so nicely on there. And then the head. And then I'm not going to put the halo on yet. I'm going to wrap the eye first, so I don't have to fight where it's going. And so let's go ahead and make an eye. Where's my round nose? And I'm going to make a fairly large eye for this, so it allows some room for the halo to sit, and then the ear wire. Normally I wouldn't go quite so large on on an eye on earrings, but I am going to make them a little bit larger for these guys, or I should say these ladies. Let's just twist that around a couple of times, give it a really nice positive hold. Now I can cut off the excess. I would always rather have a pin too long that I've got to cut off excess, rather than having to fight, I've only got this much space, and really fighting that wrap. I like to have room. If that works for you, you can certainly go with the shorter pin, but in this case I really like having a longer one. And then we just put the halo on. And then with ear wires, almost every style of ear wire, you can open the eye just like that and slip your angel on and then close up that eye. So much easier than trying to put the angel on and then wrapping it, and now you've got the ear wire in the way. So a quick, easy way to do that. So those are done already, and then I'll make the other pair just because they're fun to do. And there we go, upside down drop. I really enjoy making character earrings, so I am always on the lookout for shapes and what I can use to mimic other things. And so drops I find are just great. You can certainly go with smaller and get smaller wings if you prefer a much smaller earring than what these turn out to be. Or of course, if you want your angel in color, you can certainly go with any color drop and not just these frosted ones. Tamp down that tail and get that nice and smooth. Now the ear wire. And put the halo on. And the cool thing about these wings are two-sided, so it doesn't even matter what side you're going for. You just whip them together and you are done. There we go. We've got our set of angel friends ready to wear, ready to go to the party. Happy holidays to you, or any time that you want to have an angel on your shoulder. They're just great and so easy to make. Happy beading to you. Have a great day.